त्र्यम्बकम् यजामहे सुगन्धिम् पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनात् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयम् अमृतात्। ॐ अथाबलमहम् वक्ष्येऽमृतसञ्जीवनम् स्तवम् यस्यानुष्ठानमात्रेण मृत्युर्दूरात् पलायते। असाध्यः कष्टसाध्याश्च महारोगा भयङ्कराः शीघ्रम् नश्यन्ति पठनादस्यायुश्च प्रवर्धते। शाकिनी डाकिनी दोषाः कुदृष्टिर्ग्रह शत्रुजाः प्रेतवेताल यक्षोत्ताबाधा नश्यन्ति च अखिलाः। दुरितानि समस्तानि नानाजन्मोद्भवानि च संसर्गज विकाराणि विनीयन्ते। अस्य पाठतः सर्वोपद्रवनाशाय सर्वबाधा प्रशान्तये आयुः प्रवर्धये चैतत् स्तोत्रम् परमम् अद्भुतम्। बालानाम् सुखदायकम् सर्वारिष्टकरम् चैतद्बलपुष्टिकरम् परम्। बालानाम् जीवनायैतत् स्तोत्रम् दिव्यम् सुधोपमम्। मृतवत्सत्वकरणम् चिरञ्जीवित्वकारकम् महारोगाभिभूतानाम् भयव्याकुलितात्मनाम् सर्वव्याधिहरणम् भयग्नमम् अमृतोपयम्। अल्पमृत्युश्चापमृत्युः पाठाद्यस्य प्रणश्यति। जलाग्नि विषशस्त्रादि न हि शृङ्गि भयस्तथा। गर्भरक्षाकरम् स्त्रीणाम् बालानाम् जीवनप्रदम् महारोगहरम् नृणाम् अल्पमृत्युहरम् पदम्। बाला वृद्धाश्च अरुणा नरा नार्यश्च दुःखिताः भवन्ति सुखिनः। पाठाद्यस्य लोके चिरायुषः अस्मात् परतरम् नास्ति। जीवनोपायकेहिकः तस्मात् सर्वप्रयत्नेन पाठमस्य समाचरेत्। मयुतावृत्तिकम् वाचसहस्रावृत्तिकम् तथा वदर्थं वा तदर्थं वा पठेदेतच्च भक्तितः कलशे विष्णुमाराध्य दीपम् प्रज्वाल्य यत्नतः सायं प्रातश्च विधिवत् स्तोत्रमेतत् पठेत् सुधीः सर्पिषाहविषावाभिसंज्ञागेनाथ भक्तितः दशांशमानदो होमं कुर्यात् स पार्थसिद्धये नमो नमो विश्वविभवानाय नमो नमो लोकसुखप्रदाय नमो नमो विश्वसृजेश्वराय नमो नमो मुक्तिवरप्रदाय नमो नमः धन्वन्त्रये नमः नमो नमः सदाशिवाय नमः।
Namaskaram. Very warm welcome to one and all of you to this very, very, very grand edition of Ananda Utsava, the 70th grand edition, celebrating the divine energies of healing, Vaidya Shakti, healing through Nrityopachara, one of the most celebrated kalas, which is Nrityam. Nrityam is an all-composite kala which has Geetam, Vadyam, Layam, Nrityam, even the literature, the language, the presentation, the aharya, the costumes, the dress, abharana. Abharana itself is a kala in itself. The Vishwakarma sect of people called the Vishwakarma Brahmins do the carving of the jewelry is a kala in itself. Nrityam is that which is an all-composite, beautiful kala. Today, in the 70th edition of Ananda Utsava, we celebrate Nritya Upachara, healing through Vaidya Shakti. Very warm welcome once again to all of you to this very beautiful, grand 70th edition, celebrating Nrityam in its most authentic and organic manner through the Kuchipudi Natyam. Healing, Aushadhi, Upachara, Vaidya, they are all possible for us to experience and make it possible in our body, mind and soul only when we create the right space. What is this right space? Tannile marandu nikkardu da right space. Yella vendada thoughts, those thoughts which are not going to be of any help, to rise above those thoughts and be in that blissful state where the mind connects only to the divine is possible very easily through Nrityam, through any kala. Immersing ourselves in the practice and the performing of that activity which is called a kala, be it Pakashastra, be it Nrityam, be it Sangeetam, be it painting, Chitrakala, Rangoli. Vaidya the process of healing happens when the mind is taken to a space where the thoughts intensely focus on that divine energy. In today's Ananda Utsava, we explore and experience healing and bliss through Veda Parayana by Siddhant Anand, all the way from Singapore, and Nritya Upachara by Srimati Karpagam Venkatraman and Kumari Daksha Swaminathan.
Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om. Om Prataragnim Pratarindragum Havamahe Pratarmitra Varuna Pratarashvina Pratarbhagam Pushanam Brahmanaspatim Pratasomamutarudragum Huvema Pratarjitam Bhagamugragum Huvema Vayam Putramaditeryo Vidarda Adrachidyam Manyamanasturatchidraja Chidyam Bhagam Bhakshityaha Bhagapranetar Bhagasatyarado Bhagemam Diyamudavadadannaha Bhagaprano Janaya Gobirashve Bhagapranribenrivantasyama Utedanim Bhagavantasyamota Prapitva Udamadye Anna Utoditam Bhagavan Suryasya Vayam Devanagum Sumadau Syama Bhaga Eva Bhagavagum Astu Devastena Vayam Bhagavantasyama Tam Tva Bhagat Sarva Ijjo Havimi Sano Bhagapura Eta Bhaveha Samadvarayo Shaso Namanta Dadikrave Vasuchaye Padaya Arvajinam Vasuvidam Bhaganno Ratamivashva Vajina Avahantu Ashvavatir Gomatir Naushaso Viravatir Sadamuchantu Bhadraha Yutam Duhana Vishwada Prabhina Yuyam Pata Swasti Besadanaha Yoma Agne Bhaginagum Santamata Bhagam Jugirishati Abhagam Agne Tam Kurumam Agne Bhaginam Kuru Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
Ananda Utsava 70th Grand Edition, celebrating Vaidya Shakti, healing through Nritya Upachara, brought to you Amba Anandeshwari Kalalaya's Ananda Utsava 70 Grand, is hosted by Youth Artist Development Association, YADA, USA, in association with Bharat Heritage Organization, BHO. Very warm welcome to one and all of you. We have two vibrant Nrityanganas presenting to us beautiful exploration in the Kuchipudi Nritya Parampara. Both of them come from the same Parampara, my Guru Parampara of Vedantam School, Vedantam Parampara, Vedantam Shri Prahlada Sharma Garu's Parampara, which was given to me and Srimati Karpagam Venkatraman, my Guru Behen, by our Guru, late Srimati Lakshmi Rajamani, passed on the Parampara to my disciple, Kumari Daksha Swaminathan Ramesh. Nritya Upacharam in Kuchipudi for healing.
Kare virajat करे विराजत कमनीय पुस्तक करे विराजत कमनीय पुस्तक विरिञ्चि पत्नी कमलासन स्थिता विरिञ्चि पत्नी कमलासन स्थिता सरस्वती नृत्यतु वाचिने सदा संपत्कराणि सकलेन्द्रियनन्दनानि साम्राज्यदानविभवानि सारोरुहाक्षि संपत्कराणि सकलेन्द्रियनन्दनानि साम्राज्यदानविभवानि सरोरुहाक्षि त्वद्वन्दनानि दुरितोद्धरणोद्यतानि मामेव मातरनिशम् कलयन्तु मान्ये मामेव मातरनिशम् कलयन्तु मान्ये अम्बा शाम्भवी चन्द्रमौळिरबला उमा पार्वती काली हैमवती काली हैमवती शिवात्रि नयना कात्यायनी भैरवी सावित्री नवयौवना
शुभकरी
साम्राज्यलक्ष्मी
प्रधा
चिद्रूपी
परदेवता शुभकरी
चिद्रूपी परदेवता भगवती श्री राजराजेश्वरी चिद्रूपी परदेवता भगवती चिद्रूपी परदेवता भगवती श्री राजराजेश्वरी सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Together, Karpagam and I. Bhagini, someone is asking what Bhagini means. Bhagini means sister, elder sister. Here, I am the elder one, she is younger. Guru Bhagini means we are connected as sisters, we are connected as siblings through a common mother who has been our guru. Although we had different biological mothers, our common mother has been Guru Lakshmi Auntie. So that's Guru Bhagini is the sisterhood that you have as a sibling with a Guru Parivar. With Karpagam and I together will take forward Lakshmi Auntie's Parampara, the Guru Parampara, and Daksha Swaminathan. Karpagam has been a very prominent danceuse, an exponent in the field of Kuchipudi. She has had her multi-level qualifications from the universities. I don't know how many degrees she has. She has many of them, so I can't list them. So I just say many and leave it. as along with her studies and her research continue in the beautiful path in the marga of Nrityam. And now we continue to journey together. Kumari Daksha Swaminathan, a senior disciple in Kuchipudi of my humble self, Dr. Ranjini Ganesan Ramesh. A true prodigy, child prodigy, she has been very ably authenticated and adjudged as by all the learned and the legends who have lived and who have ascended above. Why I'm insisting and emphasizing on this today, everybody says everybody is a prodigy, which is not true. It cannot be just like that called. Somebody learns to sing 2-3 things and does in a childhood. 3-4 வயசு குழந்தை ஏதோ சொல்லி கொடுத்தது சொல்றதுன்னா அது ப்ராடிஜின்னு சொல்லிடுறா. அந்த மாதிரி இல்லை. That is not to be taken that way. A prodigy is someone who has a purva janma vasana continuing. The biomemory is carried forward into the muscle memory, and the muscle memory and the biomemory together from a previous life in a body, which is carried forward through into another body, and the soul carries all that memory, and the soul chooses the right womb that it wants to come out again to finish many of the work that has not been completed for some reason in that previous janma. And that becomes a prodigy. And this child, this beautiful young lady, Kumari Daksha Swaminathan, is a child prodigy who learned, or who on her own in a very natural space by a natural self started dancing even before she could walk, literally at the age of barely 2, many of us would know. And she started doing all the 3 styles simultaneously without taking one into another, Bharatanatyam, Kathak and Kuchipudi, although she has had very formal training and also had training in the classical Western ballet, as well as the other form of dance, a variation of the Western ballet from none other than Anjali Nair, Terence Lewis, as well as Shri Ashley Lobo. She has expanded her journey in all the forms of dance. Today also a very well-established Devanrityam artist herself, Upasaki. She will present to us Kuchipudi today. And Karpagam, a very, very beautiful, versatile Kuchipudi artist, a senior also. Together we'll have their Nitya Neerajanam.
Namaskaram, everyone. It's an honor and a pleasure to be here, to be offering this seva to my beloved Ambal today. When we think of Navaratri, we think of the obvious. We think of feminine energy in all its glory. Today, what I will be offering is a little bit of a variation on how we perceive the feminine energy in the context of Paramashiva, in the context of the life of specifically Shri Jalandhara. Why Shri Jalandhara? The very beautiful composition of Jayachamrajendra Udayar goes Shri Jalandharam Ashrayamyaham Jalajaksham, and then goes on to say Shri Janhavidharam. If you notice throughout this composition, there are, every line will have some mention of the feminine aspect associated with Paramashiva. This I thought was a very interesting offering to make today, reiterating, of course, the perhaps the most famous philosophy, which is Shakti Illayal Shivan Illai, Shivan Illayal Shakti Illai, which is where there is no Prakriti, there is no Purusha. Where there is no Purusha, there is no Prakriti. They are inseparable and equal in every right and every sense. So, with the blessings of my Guru, Dr. Ranjini Ganesan Ramesh, I will be offering today Shri Jalandhara, of course, put together with some very famous, very important, very rare shlokams, stotrams, as well as a special Nrityarpanam that is composed and choreographed by my Guru. Shri Jalandhara Ashrayamyaham Jalajaksham Shri Janhavidharam Shankaram. You know, it's very interesting. Even the other shlokams and stotrams that I mentioned, they also equally include the mention of either the Ardhangini, which is Adi Shakti, in some form of hers, or Janhavi. There is always a mention of Prakriti where there is a mention of Purusha. And what better way to celebrate Ambal than to say that even the greatest Mahasadashiva is incomplete without you. And I think that theory holds true for everybody. When Brahma had to do a special yaga in what we today know as Pushkara, he too required his consort with him to go ahead with the yaga. So Brahma is also incomplete without his feminine energy. So is, of course, Mahavishnu, who had to himself descend in Tirumala when, you know, Mahalakshmi, for some reason, because when he refused to stop someone from abusing him, she felt that, you know, she was being equally abused. And therefore, she decided to say, no, I'm going to Loka. And now you must, you know, earn back your respect. So even Sri Venkateshwara came down for Sri Amavaru. And similarly, I think every Bhagwan has come in search of Prakriti, whether it is Janhavi on the locks of Shiva, or it is when the Tantrajnana Vidya was given to you know, Parvati, when she finally became Adi Shakti, that too was such an example of just this.
It's always that the one energy is always incomplete without the other. That's the cosmic truth. And there is no concept of so-called someone subduing the other. It's always an equal partnership. A beautiful composition.
सदा शिवनघन शम्भो शम्भो सदञ्चितम् उदञ्चित विकुञ्चितप्रभम्
सदञ्चितमुदञ्चित निकुञ्चितवदम् सदञ्चितमुदञ्चित निकुञ्चितपदम् जलज्जलं चलितमण्डुकटकम् जलज्जलं चलितमण्डुकटकम्
पतञ्जलि
पतञ्जलि कृगञ्जलमनञ्जनमञ्जलपदम्
विश्वं जगत्व्यापकम् अनन्तम्
पुरन्दराति सन्नुत गम्भीर नाट्य प्रवर्तक गम्भीर नाट्य प्रवर्तक पुरन्दराति सन्नुत गम्भीर नाट्य प्रवर्तकनागलिङ्गम्
पुरन्दरादि संवृत गम्भीरनाट्य प्रवर्तकनागलिङ्गं परगजमणिशोभितलिङ्गम् परगजमणिशोभितलिङ्गं तारकतेजोरूपवायुलिङ्गं
it was, it's not meant to be a performance. Today it is a Neerajanam. It is just a offering to that energy. So then I have, after that, I have only danced this for both of us together, but sitting and watching this, and I was wondering what she's going to do for the Tarangam part, because for some reason she showed me parts of the thing before doing it. We discussed, but then I said, I don't want you to rehearse this, or I'm not going to come and see. You just show me parts wherever you want to tune yourself. And that's about it. But then the back of my mind, I kept thinking, what is going to happen for the Tarangam, because that is carpeted floor, and normal wooden floor stage mele adu pandrathe periya kashtam. Adu okay, in the Kuchipudi tradition it is done, it was come in the Bhagavata Mela Kuchipudi tradition. So wherever the Bhagavatulu would sing and dance the Nama Sankirtanam and all that, obviously it's not a stage, but it's a floor, and they would just take it was just added like to color. It must have been one Bhagavatar who just got very inspired, and whatever he would have wanted probably to do something different. So அப்படிதான் இது வந்திருக்கும் அப்படிங்கிற, because there is no authentic authoritative authentication as to how this practice of Tarangam happened. And obviously when the Mridangam Vidwan is there, they would recite. So that part we worked it out. We said we'll keep it as a Konnakol. Great Konnakol by Vidwan Mumbai Shankar Narayan sir, who has also given the Mridangam support. A great legendary Vidwan, Mridangam Vidwan. It was all done like an extempore in the studio, and then we recorded it. So we decided to have the Kannakol, but I was thinking what she's going to do, how she's going to do this Tarangam. And in our tradition, in Vedantam Garu, Master Garu tradition, we actually have to do the footwork. If it is Takita, that Takita 3 times it has to be done in the foot, gripping the plate. That is like normally in other people, when they do it now, they just move the plate with the legs and just show all the rhythm with the hand. But in our paddhati, in our school, in our way of doing from Prahlad Garu, Sharma Garu, it has to be tapped. Along with the plate, the footwork has to be done. If it is takatakita, 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 you have to do takatakita 5 beats on the plate. Not just with the feet, but holding the plate, the whole thing should move onto the floor. But God's blessing, fully on this girl. She managed a whole Tarangam on a carpeted floor, so nobody now, we all have such a beautiful message that God has given us, that எங்க வேணா எப்படி வேணா ஆடலாம், மலையில கூட ஆடலாம், மணல்ல கூட ஆடலாம், முள்ளுல கூட ஆடலாம், தண்ணில கூட ஆடலாம், ஸ்னோல கூட ஆடலாம். ஏன்னா அவர் ஹிமாலயத்துல தானே அவரே ஆடுறார். அப்போ why are we complaining? எனக்கு இங்க ஃப்ளோர் சரியில்லை, அங்க ஃப்ளோர் சரியில்லை, ஸ்டேஜ் சரியில்லை, ஆணி குத்திட்டு, all that, but every day he's revealing a new strength that we all have to imbibe and internalize and draw from our own core and within, that aligning with the cosmic supreme, everything is possible. ஆட முடியாதவங்களும் ஆடலாம், பாட தெரியாதவங்களும் பாடலாம். Just align பண்ணி எனக்கு இது பண்ணணும்னு சொல்லிட்டா he'll make it happen. God bless you, my child. We'll move on to Karpagam Balasubramaniam's Neerajanam. Now, having brought Shri Jalandhara, now we will bring his better half, Shakti.
गिरीशनयने विस्मयवती हराहिभ्यो ईकाकरती रुगा सौभाग्यजननी सखी
Karpagam. First of all, I must say thank you for coming into my life. So Lakshmi auntie could come back. I mean, she was never gone. She was always there with me. But you know that physical proximity of seeing her dance had not been possible for many years. You know, and ரொம்ப வருஷத்துக்கு அப்புறம் அவங்கள பார்க்கணும் அப்படிங்கறச்சே, well, the cosmos had different decision made. But then thank you for, you know, I think somewhere she always heard my prayers and my voice that, you know, I wanted to see her dance. Which I can see which I saw through you today. Thank you. என்ன சொல்றதுனே தெரியல. I'm little moved, I'm little overwhelmed, you know. One is தாத்தாவோட பாட்டு, my Paramaguru, Mysore Vasudevacharya. You know, I don't relate to any, ellarum lot of Mahavagyakaras, you know, I should not say anything. Trinities, Tyaga Brahmam, Mutsami Dikshita, Samasantri, ellarume. But somewhere with the Tata's soul, you know, I got very closely connected because of Rajaram sir. And avaroda paatu ketaka, something happens from within. And that itself, that was one catalyst. Adukku mela nee vandu some of the moves, you know, I don't know what to say, how. It's just அப்படியே அன்னைக்கே நான் சொன்னேன் இல்ல, லக்ஷ்மி ஆண்டி பாக்குற மாதிரியே இருந்ததுன்னு. அன்னைக்கு நான் பாடு வேற பாடினதே. So I was like little, அதுலயே எனக்கு அப்படி இன்னைக்கு வந்து with no distraction அவங்க வீட்ல அவங்கள பார்த்த மாதிரி, அவங்க ஆடும்போது பாக்குற மாதிரி இருந்துச்சு. Thank you so much. It's a combination of Tata and you know, both the gurus coming together. It's beautiful. So the experience is for me as a Sishya, thank you.
Thank you, Akka. Thank you very much.
वाञ्छितार्थप्रदायिनी नमः ओम अभ्यासाय सज्ञाताय नमः ओम षडत्वाधीरूपिणी नमः ओम अज्ञातकर्मामूर्तये नमः ओम
இல்லப்பா இப்பவும் பண்றா திருப்பியும், அவளுக்கு தோணி இருக்கும், அவளுக்கு இப்ப
नमः ओम ललिताम्बिकायै नमः ओम भवस्ते नमः ओम सर्वस्य देवस्य स्वरूपिण्यै पत्न्यै नमः ओम ईशानस्य देवस्य स्वरूपिण्यै पत्न्यै नमः ओम पशुपतेस्य देवस्य स्वरूपिण्यै पत्न्यै नमः ओम रुद्रस्य देवस्य स्वरूपिण्यै पत्न्यै नमः ओम रुद्रस्य देवस्य स्वरूपिण्यै पत्न्यै नमः ओम उग्रस्य देवस्य स्वरूपिण्यै पत्न्यै नमः ओम भीमस्य देवस्य स्वरूपिण्यै पत्न्यै नमः ओम अगतो देवस्य स्वरूपिण्यै पत्न्यै नमः श्रीं ह्रीं ऐं ओम श्री ललिता सहस्रनामावली सम्पूर्णम् ओम
त्रिपुर सुंदरी च विद्महे कामेश्वरी च धीमहि तन्नो बाला प्रचोदयात्. श्री
भगवती हरिवल्लभे मनोज्ञे दिव्यनुभूति प्रसीदमत्यं ओम सर्वमंगलमांगल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके शरण्ये त्र्यंबके देवी नारायणि नमोस्तुते नारायणि नमोस्तुते नारायणि नमोस्तुते नमस्ते रामाय श्रीपीठे गुरुपूजिते पंचचक्रकलास्ते महालक्ष्मी नमोस्तुते नमस्ते गरुडारूढे दोलासुरभयङ्करि सर्वपापहरे देवी मंत्रपुष्पम् ओम गोपां पुष्पं वेद पुष्पवान्
गोपामायतनं वेद आयतनवान्
अपामायतनम् आयतनवान् भवति यो अग्नेरायतनम् आयतनवान् भवति आपो वै अग्नेरायतनम् आयतनवान् भवति य एवं वेद योपामायतनं वेद आयतनवान् भवति वायुर्वा अपामायतनम् आयतनवान् भवति यो वायुरायतनं वेद आयतनवान् भवति आपो वै वायुरायतनम् आयतनवान् भवति य एवं वेद योपामायतनं वेद आयतनवान् भवति असौ वेतपन्नपामायतनम् आयतनवान् भवति यो मुच्यत्तपतकायतनं वेद आयतनवान् भवति आपो वा अमुच्यतपतकायतनम् आयतनवान् भवति य एवं वेद योपामायतनं वेद आयतनवान् भवति चन्द्रमा वा अपामायतनम् यतनवान् भवति आपो वै चन्द्रमस यतनम् योपामा यतनं वेद नक्षत्राणि वा अपामा यतनं यतनवान्
నన్ను కరుణించి బ్రోవవే నన్ను కరుణించి బ్రోవవే శంకరీ త్రిపుర సుందరి నన్ను కరుణించి బ్రోవవే శంకరీ త్రిపుర సుందరి నన్ను కరుణించి బ్రోవవే శంకరీ త్రిపుర సుందరి నన్ను కరుణించి బ్రోవవే తల్లి సనక సనందనాది వినుతే అంబా సనక సనంద ఆది వినుతే సదా భజించేయు తల్లి నన్ను కరుణించి బ్రోవవే వాణి వినుత శుక పాణి అంబా పాణి వినుత శుక పాణి వరదాయకి కళ్యాణి సౌందర్యగీర్వాణి సౌందర్యగీర్వాణి అంబా సౌందర్యగీర్వాణి వరగర్భ పూరి వాసిని వరగర్భ పూరి వాసిని నన్ను కరుణించి బ్రోవవే అంబా శ్రీ విద్యాం నన్ను కరుణించి బ్రోవవే శంకరీ త్రిపుర సుందరి సుందరి సుందరి
सुन्दरी
बाला त्रिपुर सुन्दरी विरामी देवी श्री विद्या श्री विद्या शिववाम श्री विद्या शिववाम भागनिलयाम ह्रीं कारमन्त्रोज्ज्वलां श्रीचक्राङ्कित बिन्दुमध्यवसति श्रीमत्सभानायिकां श्रीषण्मुखविघ्नराजजननीं श्रीमत्त्रिपुरसुन्दरीं मीनाक्षीं प्रणतोऽस्मि सन्ततमहं कारुण्यवारां निधिम्
ஆத்தாளை அபிராமவல்லியை அண்டமெல்லாம் பூத்தாளை மாதுளம்பூ நிறத்தாளை புவியடங்க காத்தாளை அங்குஷ பாஷாங்குஷமும் கரும்பும் அங்கையிற் சேத்தாளை முக்கண்ணியை தொழுவார்க்கு ஒரு தீங்கில்லையே.
Thank you one and all for being with us in this beautiful edition, the 70th grand edition of Ananda Utsava, celebrating bliss through healing, celebrating Ananda, happiness, bliss, experiencing Ananda, bliss through explorations of divine energies and their healing power through arts, agama and Vividha Kala. Over the last 70 weeks we have been celebrating Ananda Utsava. Thank you one and all for being with us today. We will see you all next week in Ananda Utsava 71 Grand Live Edition. Join us through Zoom platform. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shantihi. Namaskaram. Thank you one and all for being with us. Many thanks to Yada for always being there to host Ananda Utsava in association with